Alright, that's the double needle brother, and we're going to demonstrate the semi-automatics. You have a left and right needle position, which you can lift the needle up or down. And now he's going to sew to demonstrate the machine to you. And you can sew pockets, you can do a straight stitch, lock stitch. He's making a pocket in this time, as you see, and make the corners. The packet is going to be done in a few seconds. We'll take you back over here to show you the stitches. Very, very, very nice. The fabric, it's fine. That's the back and that is the front. And he make a pocket in 1 second. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy sewing machine. This machine, it's really, really nice condition. The model, it's LT2-B875-7. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company.